If a stick of chalk was a person, he would probably make very weird noises. If you don't respect your closet, it'll get its revenge on you. Stop shoving things into it randomly and slamming the door. The closet doesn't like being treated like that. There, see how you like trying to get your backpack down from all the way up here. And enjoy this bruise. Next time, you'll be more careful. Everybody knows this situation. You set down your headphones and they were totally fine, not a single knot in sight. But then they got a mind of their own. Psst, should we go for it? No, I don't want to get twisted today. Come on, it'll be fun. Maybe we shouldn't. Come on, come here. Let's get all tangled up together. Okay, fine, but this is the last time. My headphones are tangled again? How did this even happen? The alarm clock has the worst possible morning routine. This guy is just doing his job. Wake up! Get up! Get up now! But he's always getting injured at work. He should contact the alarm clock union. Just let me sleep in peace. It was a normal day in the life of this humble TV remote. I love it when people touch me. Until Granny came to visit and decided to make sure the remote stayed clean. Let's wipe this off and put it in a plastic bag. There! You should take care of your things. Now it won't be so greasy. Oh no! Not in the bag! Please! I'm claustrophobic! Help! I can't breathe! You are fast asleep, dreaming delicious dreams. But then he breaks into your room! The fridge! Psst! Psst! Look what I have! Smell this chicken! It's like the gods themselves made this chicken leg. Just try it, and you won't fall asleep. The fridge knows how to seduce you. Pizza, sausages, a midnight delight. Come on, just one piece? Why eat tofu when you could eat this? Come on, dig into the meat now! And before you know it, you are in front of the fridge at 2 a.m. with chicken in your mouth. Like witchcraft! Everybody knows how to eat an Oreo. Twist, lick, dip. Oops! My cookie drowned in the milk. It's too late to save it. But the cookie is super happy about falling. That's okay. I have the whole rest of the package left. Oh yeah! I'm in milky paradise. Every Oreo dreams of taking a bath in a glass of milk. I'm like a cookie Cleopatra. Woohoo! This is heaven! A normal class! The teacher gets out some chalk, and now our ears are about to get tortured. Whoa, what's that noise? Is someone getting killed? No, it's just this little piece of pink chalk singing a farewell song. What a horrible screech! Miss Smith, stop torturing the poor thing! The office copy machine has seen all sorts of things. It's a good day if the only thing getting scanned is regular documents. Some employees want to copy their pretty faces. Ew! Get your cheeks away from me! That's unhygienic! It worked! Look! And some people try to Xerox their... Oh no! No, no, no! I don't want to see that! Yikes! Just imagine what your phone sees every time you try to film a funny TikTok. Oh no, not this nonsense again! For the love of trends, Won't you ever get tired of shaking your butt? My pixels can't handle it. I don't want to see this anymore. Why do you always run out of battery when I need you the most? If only Steve Jobs could see this. Is this why I was born with 3 cameras? That's it. I can't do this anymore. I'd rather die than film that. Goodbye, cruel world. Turn on. Come on, please. As usual, my phone died at the worst possible moment. Fine, I'll go get the charger. Whenever you look at yourself in the mirror and you think you don't look that great, just imagine what the mirror must see. Oh, wow! Are you a vampire or something? Pull yourself together and don't look at me again. No matter how old you are, we all have the same problem, losing the other sock. Where did it go? Start the search. We'll find you, little guy. Hey, I'm here. I haven't seen you in so long. I've been waiting for you all this time. My other half. Soon we'll be together again. Come on, stretch like you're about to get washed. Yay! I found it! Here's the second sock. Go be with your friend. And we are together again. Finally! I missed you so much. Let's be happy together. Until the next time someone does laundry. You were sleeping sweetly, but you can't because of your blinds. You shut us down again? She won't let us be completely open. That's unacceptable. You can't control women like that in 2020. Girl power! Take that, dictator! We'll shine no matter what. As soon as I got to lie down, the blinds opened up again. Why is this happening? You wouldn't wish this fate on your worst enemy. If toilet paper were a person. No, please! I'll do anything! Why is this happening to me? Why? I need a therapist! You just wanted to wash your clothes. But your washing machine feels like this is an amusement park. Ah! No! Anything but the spin cycle! I'm so dizzy from all that spinning. Here, take your stuff. I need a breather. Artists never consider what their brushes feel while they are making masterpieces. 2 new brushes are waiting to meet their fate. Haha, you're up first! Oh man, this is so unpleasant. My perfect hairstyle. My beautiful squirrel hair. Whoa, you really went through it. You were so colorful. Don't worry, Miss Ponytail, you're next. The artist won't spare a single hair on the brush's heads. All art has a hidden cost. We love going to the bathroom with our phones. But no one thinks about their phone's feelings. This is the highest level of trust, Master. Just hold it tight so as not to drop your phone into the toilet. My phone distracts me on a date all the time. It sends messages, notifications, and missed calls. Are you jealous? Hey, leave me alone. You are grounded. Silent mode for 3 hours. Did you like our sketches about living objects? Then comment below and tell us what object you sympathize with the most. The phone, socks, the TV remote, or the washing machine. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new transformations from Troom.